Fashion. Oh, the glamour, the fame, the fortune, the destruction. Hello, everyone. I'm here to burst fashion's beautiful bubble. The global textile and fashion industry employs over 60 million people across the world and generates over $3 trillion in revenue a year. Not bad for a schmata business. The EPA calculates that the U.S. industry makes over 17 million tons of textiles annually, and we send 11.4 million tons to the landfill. That's 68 pounds of garment trash from every single one of us. An average American fourth grader weighs about 68 pounds. 68 pounds equals 260 adult-sized t-shirts. Do you have 260 t-shirts? Why do you? Did you get a deal? Do you wear them all? Why am I telling you this? It's because I, Amy Williams, am a recovering fashion designer. A designer who loved to design for the human body. I love the fantasy of fashion, and I'm horrified by the reality of it. For 35 years, I designed and manufactured millions of dollars worth of fashion for brands and retailers, and I taught young designers to do the same. Also, we could dress you. I loved my fashion adventures, and I was only paid 70 cents on the dollar. Oh wait, that's another speech. So during my years in the factories, I noticed something was very wrong. The water coming from the factories was an unnatural color. A foul odor hung in the air, and the workers in those factories, they never went home. That it was my job versus the planet, and sustainability was new to fashion. So I was complicit, and I have the dirty fingernails to prove it. What is a recovering fashion designer to do? I'm here to awaken you. I believe my industry can change, and that you would be willing to help. Those bargain 3 for $20 t-shirts available at those fast fashion emporiums, they come at a huge cost for us all today and for our world tomorrow. Please only buy from the designers and the brands you can truly trust, whose fashion products are sustainably built. If we strip our closets of fashion's garbage forever, we can change an industry's gluttonous practices. I promise to train designers to make sustainable fashion. I ask you to promise to wear responsibly made clothes proudly. Let's be responsible in our fashion choices moving forward. Let's change our clothes together. Thank you.